Are you the type of person that when you receive a gift card, you either lose it or forget about it? I feel like that happens to me all the time. So in this super simple tutorial, I'm gonna teach you on how to take the money on your gift card and get cash from it. It's super easy, so let's get started. So with this super simple tutorial, it is gonna take a slight fee in order to take the money from your gift card and deposit into your checking account. The main reason why I do this, and it's worth me doing the fee, is because when I get a gift card, like I said, I either lose it, forget about it, or I feel like I have money just burning the hole in my pocket and I just want to spend the card because I want to get rid of the card, and it might take me a couple of transactions in order to get rid of it. Also, when I put in my checking account, I could either invest in it, take it out as cash, or I get about 2% back when I use my credit card. So in the end, I would much rather take the money from the gift card, get rid of it, and put it into my checking account so I can use it as cash. This tutorial is gonna work for all the gift cards out there. If you do have a gift card that's meant for only one store, say whether that's a Nike gift card or an Amazon gift card, I do have a separate tutorial on how to sell and get the top dollar for those gift cards. So there's gonna be a link down below. But for everyone else, this is gonna work for you. So in order to get the money off your credit card, you are gonna have to have two PayPal accounts. I have one, my original PayPal account, and then you're gonna have to set up a new PayPal account linking up your debit card. So we're gonna go over to the computer and walk you through that right now. So like I said, you're going to need to create a second account. It's super easy. It only takes about 30 seconds to sign up. Just click sign up, make it a personal account, and then just type in your personal information. And it honestly doesn't really matter what you enter here. It doesn't matter what you put in for the address, as long as you just open up that second account. So now that you have the second account created, you're just gonna wanna log into that new account. We're going to add the gift card into the new account we just created. So what you want to do is go up to the Wallet tab, then click Add New Debit Card or Credit Card. Then from there, you just want to enter in the gift card number, expiration date, and then the code on the back. For the billing address for the gift card, sometimes these gift cards make you go to their website in order to activate them, and you have to put in a zip code and also sometimes a billing address. So if the gift card made you put in the address when activating the card, just put that payment in when we're sending it through PayPal. Now we can see that the gift card is now linked to the new PayPal account. After the gift card is added as a payment, we're going to make sure that it is selected as the preferred payment. So make sure you click the new gift card, and then we're going to go to the home page on PayPal. Then from home, go to send and request. So the next step now is sending the payment from the new PayPal account we created to our old PayPal account. So what you want to do now is type in the number or email address associated with your old PayPal account. So type it in right here. Now I just want to type in the amount that we want to send. There's $75 on this gift card. And we're selecting whether it's friend or family or a merchant. If you do friend and family, you're paying the fee up front. If you do merchant, it's just going to pay it from the receiving account. So I just do friend and family. I make sure that the new gift card is selected. Then click next. And then you can see here the fee. You could always get this to equal out whatever amounts on your gift card. So it's kind of like playing guess and check. So once I know what the fee amount is, I just subtract that from the amount I'm trying to send, and I'll just update the amount. And I'll just kind of keep going back and forth till I get the exact amount that's left on the gift card. So like I said, you could always get it to equal out the same amount that you have left on your gift card. I wouldn't leave any, extra cents, even if that's only, a couple pennies or a dime or whatever is left. Then click Send Payment Now. It should send the payment right away to your other PayPal account. And just to verify that I did receive it on my original PayPal account, you can see my phone right here just saying that I have received the payment. And you can see it's from my name. So I'm going to sign in now into my original PayPal account, the first PayPal account, and you can see I have the payment right here, the $72.59. So what we're going to do now is withdraw that money, and I'm going to be withdrawing it to my checking account. You do have the option here to have instant withdrawal, so it is going to charge you additional 1% fee if you want to do that. Or you can do the standard one, which doesn't charge you any additional fees, and usually this gets deposited in your account within a day. So I'm not in any rush in order to receive this money and have it deposited into my checking account. So I always do standard. That way I can avoid the 1% fee and have more money in my bank account. So the final step is just going to be clicking next after you select what method you want. Like I said, I do standard. And now here you're just going to want to withdraw the full amount that you would like deposit into your checking account. So for me, it was the $72.59 from the gift card that I sent. Everything checks out. Just click transfer. If you did enjoy this video and it helped you out, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. I have a bunch of videos on my channel all about investing and making and saving more money, so if you're interested in any of that, feel free to check that out. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.